The genetic arms race, HIV versus human evolution. When a person is infected with HIV, he or she may not know. This is because the newly infected person may feel nothing soon after infection. Research has shown that some people can live with HIV for more than 16 years without knowing, and without getting sick from the virus. Though your HIV is silent, your body usually doesn't sit and do nothing. It silently stages a fight and continues to fight even in the absence of HIV medicines. Indeed, many HIV viruses will be eliminated by your own immune system. So, even in the absence of HIV medications, your body has immediate and long-term ways it fights HIV. For instance, did you know that our bodies have evolved to fight off cold viruses over centuries of time? Do you know that cold or flu killed many more people before our bodies eventually learned to fight it naturally? Will HIV also behave the same way in the future, where our bodies will evolve to eliminate it even in the absence of HIV medications? This is not just an infection. This is evolution happening in real time. But how does HIV outsmart the human immune system so easily? Why do some people resist infection while others don't? And can our genes actually evolve fast enough to keep up with a virus like this? Here's how it works. HIV is a virus that attacks the immune system, especially a type of white blood cell called CD4 cells. These cells act like commanders. They help your body recognize and fight infections. HIV enters these cells, takes over, and makes copies of itself. Over time, it destroys them. When too many CD4 cells are lost, the body becomes weak. That late stage is known as AIDS. But HIV has a trick. It mutates very fast. Each time it copies itself, small mistakes happen in its genetic code. These mistakes are actually useful. They create new versions of the virus. Some of those versions can hide better from the immune system. Others can resist drugs. So even when your body learns to fight one version, a new one may already be spreading. This is where the arms race begins. The human body doesn't just sit and lose. Over generations, humans have developed genetic defenses. One of the most famous is a mutation in a gene called CCR5. This gene makes a receptor on the surface of immune cells. HIV uses that receptor like a door to get inside. But some people have a version of this gene called CCR5 delta 32 mutation. This mutation changes the shape of the receptor. For HIV, the door is now locked. The virus cannot enter the cell easily. People with 2 copies of this mutation are highly resistant to HIV infection. Those with 1 copy may still get infected, but the disease progresses much slower. So why doesn't everyone have this mutation? Because evolution is slow. And it depends on survival and reproduction. The CCR5 mutation likely became more common in certain populations because it helped protect against past diseases, possibly even before HIV existed. But it hasn't spread everywhere. And HIV keeps evolving too. Scientists around the world, including teams at organizations like National Institutes of Health, are studying how the virus changes and how our genes respond. They are even trying to edit human genes to mimic natural resistance. Some experiments aim to remove or alter the CCR5 receptor using gene editing tools like CRISPR. But it's not simple. Changing human DNA can have risks. And HIV can sometimes find other ways into cells. So the fight continues. This is what makes HIV different. It's not just a disease. It's a moving target. And our bodies are not just victims, they are part of the battle. In the end, this genetic arms race tells us something bigger. Evolution is not just about the past. It's happening right now. Inside you. Inside everyone. And the question is not just who wins. It's how both sides keep changing the rules.